So, to fix these issues, what we try to do is watch motivation videos, we talk to counselors, we do a lot of these things, which end up just being like a band aid to the problems that we have. Because these are not small problems, these are big problems. And nowadays, reels are famous, so we watch reels on how to solve these issues. It's not going to work out. So, to bring in real change, we have to actually look inside. What is my thinking pattern? How do I deal with challenges? Do I run from it, or I run towards it? We have to continuously understand what are my fears, what are my challenges, and continuously work on improving that. Face these situations head on and not just put band-aid by watching some motivational videos. It's not going to help. It is what they realized and they are talking about it. But you have to look within and find solutions for your own problem, or understand at least your own thinking patterns. So the answer to change the situation, according to Mr. Stephen Covey, is that we have to change ourselves, and to change ourselves we have to change our thinking pattern. So if you think this video helped you, share it with your friends, family, whoever you feel needs to see this video and change their life.